good.
What one? Oh no, I don't use that one.
No, I do.
I'm gonna make a new one.
I've made one. Mine's mint. Have you seen all the videos online? God damn it, it's good.
How many videos is there?
One.
What is it on?
I've got lots of favourites. It's just me doing a flight on Flight Simulator. It's good. It's really good.
Sad git.
No, honestly, it's really, well, it's just pictures, because I couldn't be bothered to do the whole flight. So I've just got pictures from when I've done different landings and shit.
This guy coming in. He's gonna have all our voices on this clip.
Oh yeah! Coon! You might not hear us over the thunderous roar of my ass.
Look how far away it looks. It's like 30 foot away.
That's a bit more than 30 foot.
Okay then, 25. Now. It's going about 100 mile an hour.
About 100 foot.
What is?
Wow. Shall we count? Stop there.
1.
Stop there.
2. Do you reckon he'll do another row?
Yeah,
He's done all of that. It took him 5 days, but we could have handpicked it.
That's probably took him like 2 days.
Yeah, he goes at about a row every 20 minutes. And he's now only 5 foot away, believe it or not. Here he is, Sports Sands. Here he is. Oh, and he's finished the row. And he's now only 5 foot away.
Not finishing yet. Fuck me, he's spilling it all.
What a fucking asshole. He's turning.
No! Where the fuck is he going?
He'll do down that